start exercise number 3.5 and it's related to fraction. First of all, we need to understand this topic. This is called mixed form. This is called mixed form. Mixed form is the combination of whole number and the fractional value. Mixed form is the combination of whole number and fractional value. This is also called decimal quotient. In the higher grades, we have to understand this concept. This is also called decimal value. So mixed form is the combination of whole value and the fractional value. How to convert into improper fraction and improper fraction? Always multiply your denominator to the whole number. Always multiply your denominator with the whole number. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Then you need the numerator. Then you need to add the numerator. Add the numerator. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. It will be 11. So, answer of the numerator is 11, but denominator will never change. Denominator will never change. Now, mix form to improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because this is total part and this is the given part. So we cannot give 11 out of 3. We cannot give 11 from 3. That is why this is called improper fraction. Now we have to solve this. First of all, convert it. 3 one time, 3 plus 2, 5. And the denominator will same. Multiply 3 times 3, 9, 10, 11 over 3. Multiply 4 2 times 8, 9, 10 and 11 over 4. Now see, cutting is possible, division is possible. Can I cross 5 and 3 with the same number? No. 11 and 3? No. See, 3 and 5? No. 3 and 11? No. If cutting and division is not possible, just multiply your numerator to numerator. 55 and 3 times 3 is 9. Multiply 11 over 4. When we will get the single value, brackets will be removed. Now, can I divide 55 and 9 with the same number? No. 11 and 4? No. 4 and 55? No. 9 and 11? No. So just multiply upward values and the downward values, numerators to numerators. 55 multiplied by 11, the answer will be 605 and 9 4 times 36. Now see, can I cross with the same number? Let's take with the 3. 3 2 times 6? No. Can I cross with the 2? No. So the answer is 605 over 36. But can I make the mixed form? Can I make the mixed form? Yes. Why? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Mixed form. Numerator must be bigger than the denominator. For finding the mixed form, numerator must be bigger than the denominator. Yes, mixed form is possible. How to find? Divide it. 605 with 36. Let's check with the number with 36 multiply by any number. 36. Let's see, take the 2 digits, multiply by 2. 36 one time, 36. Because with 2 is not possible. Borrow from this. 10 minus 6, 4, 4 minus 3, 1 and write down 5. Let's check with the number of 3, 36 3 times, then we need to find 36 4 times, then we have to check it. 36 4 times 144, so minus 0 0. How to write? How to write the mixed form? Quotient, remainder and divisor. How to write the mixed form? What is the rule? Quotient, remainder, divisor. So what is the quotient? 14, 1, remainder and 36 as a divisor. So how to convert into mixed form condition is, if numerator is bigger than the denominator, you can find the mixed form. Divide it. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. This is the way how to write the mixed form. Now I am solving another question. And the next question is 2 over 9 multiplied by 3 4 over 5 multiplied by 2 3 over 4. First of all, convert into improper fraction. 9 2 times 18, 19 20. 20 over 9. 5 3 times 15, 16 17 18 19. 19 over 5. 4 2 times 8, 9 10 11 over 4. Now see, cutting is possible. 20 and 9 with the same number. Can we divide with the same number? No. 19 and 5, no. But crossing is possible, yes. 5 1 time 5, 5 4 times 20. Any other cutting? No. So just multiply. 19 multiplied by 4, the answer will be 76. 9 1 time 9. Now we got the single answer, brackets will be removed. 11 over 4. Now see, 76 and 19, cutting is possible? No. 11 and 4, can I divide with the same number? Can I divide with 4 and 11? No. Crossing, let's check with 76 and 4. Yes, I can cross this. 4 1 time 4. Check with division. 76 with 4. 4 1 time 4 minus 3 and 6. 4 9 times 30. Yes, can I guess? Yes, I can divide this. So 4 1 time 4 and 4 19 times 76. Any other cutting is possible? No. So just multiply your numerators. So we have to multiply numerators. 209 and 9 1 times 9. Can I make the mixed form of this answer? Yes, because numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we have to make the mixed form. But how? Numerator inside the hut and denominator outside the hut. 4 5 times 20. Write down 9 0 0. 4 1 time 4 and 5. How to write? Quotient, remainder and divisor. So quotient, remainder and divisor. If you have a value like this, mixed form is possible? No, because numerator is smaller than the denominator. When we have bigger numerator than the denominator, then you find the mixed form. Thank you.